This video proves that Quran is the word of Allah and Islam is the truth. So you can see in this video that this ocean is a sign of the power of Allah. Before continuing the video, I request you to share this video with everyone so that they also know that the Quran is the truth and the word of Allah. The Quran mentions a barrier between two seas which meet and which the latter do not exceed. Allah said in Quran, He gave free rein to the two seas to meet. There is a barrier between them that they do not go beyond. Quran 55:19-20. And it is also mentioned in the Quran that Allah mixed the sea with salt and fresh water. But they do not mix because by the command of Allah there is a barrier between them. There is a wall that makes them appear mixed. But because of this invisible wall, these two seas cannot meet by the power of Allah. So which of Allah's blessings will you refuse? Allahu Akbar, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Say,